Hello and welcome to this lesson where I teach you how to answer the question Ngubani lo Ndebele. Okay, so this question means who is this? If you want to ask anyone, who's this? You're going to say Ngubani lo. And the way you answer it is lo dash dash, lo Sandile, lo Moses. You're always going to answer the question like that. Okay, so before we practice with this sentence, let me give you some new words first. Okay, so let's concentrate on your mother's side of the family for this lesson. All right, so if this is mom and this is her elder sister and this one is her younger sister, right? Obviously mom we call her umama, and then this one we call her umamdala. This is your aunt who is older than your mom, okay? And then your mom's younger sister, you're going to call her umamncane. Are you able to pronounce that? Umamncane. Okay, so let's use these words to answer the question Ngubani lo. All right, so the simple one first. This is mom, lo ngumama. Okay, lo ngumamdala. Okay, this is my aunt, my mom's elder sister. And lastly, lo ngumamncane. All right, you see how it's all just following the same pattern. Lo ngumamdala. Angisho. And then again from your mother's side, her brother is called umalume. Okay, so whether he's younger or older than your mom, you're just going to call him, umalume. Okay, so if you are with your uncle and someone asks you Ngubani lo, your answer is going to be lo ngumalume. Okay, or you can go ahead and say lo ngumalume wami if you want to make it clear that this is your uncle. Okay, umalume wami. Awesome. So I hope you remember some of the words I taught you in previous lessons. Let's see how many of them you remember. How are you going to say this is my sister? Lo ngudadewethu. This is my brother. How about this is my child? Lo ngumntanami. Did you get that right? Awesome. Let's practice a little bit more with this is my father. Lo ngubaba, right? This is my friend. Lo ngumngane wami. And this is grandfather. Lo ngukhulu, right? Lo ngukhulu. Ngubani lo? Lo nguWinky D. Angisho. Ngubani lo? Lo nguDonald Trump. Is it making sense? I hope it is. Okay, so here is a question that I need you to translate to Ndebele. I want you to say, this is my teacher. Okay, I've mentioned this word in previous videos. And so if you know it, go ahead and put your answer in the comments. And let me see you in the next lesson. Bye.